For any help regarding Python homework help, visit https://www.pythonhomeworkhelp.com/https://www.pythonhomeworkhelp.com. Email support@pythonhomeworkhelp.com, support@pythonhomeworkhelp.com, or call us at +1 678 648 4277. Data Analytics with Python. Q1. State true or false. Statement: data can be generated by machines but not by humans. True, false. Answer: false. Q2. Which one of the following is not a classification of data analytics? Diagnostic analytics, deceptive analytics, predictive analytics, prescriptive analytics. Answer: deceptive analytics. Q3. State true or false. Statement: nominal scale is the lowest level of measurement and ratio scale is the highest level of measurement. True, false. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. Answer: true. Q4. Consider the following statements. Statement A: with ilock, we can pass in the negative value. Statement B: with lock, we can pass in the negative value. A and B are correct, both are false. A is correct, B is false. B is correct, A is false. Answer: A is correct, B is false. Q5. For getting 4RD, 5th and 7th row of a data file df in Python programming, we can write df.lock 3 4 6 df.lock 4 5 7 df.ilock 3 4 6. None of these. Answer: none of th. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. Q6. Which of the following is not a measure of dispersion? Skewness, kurtosis, range, percentile. Answer: percentile. Q7. State the following true or false. Statement: bimodal data sets contains two modes. True, false. Answer: true. Q8. Median is not applicable to ordinal data, interval data, nominal data, none of these. Answer: nominal data. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. Q9. State true or false. Statement: arithmetic mean is not applicable for ordinal or nominal data. True, false. Answer: true. Q10. A college plans to interview 8 students for possible offers of graduate assistantships. The college has 3 assistantships available. How many groups of 3 can the college select? A. 126, B. 56, C. 136, D. 130. Answer: B. 56. Q11. Which of the following is each individual outcome of an experiment called? A. The sample space, B. A sample point, C. An experiment, D. An individual. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. Answer: B. A sample point. Q12. 2 events having non-zero probabilities, A, can be both mutually exclusive and independent, B, cannot be both mutually exclusive and independent, C, are always mutually exclusive, D, are always independent. Answer: B, cannot be both mutually exclusive and independent. Q13. 10 individuals are candidates for positions of president, vice president of an organization. How many possibilities of selections exist? A. 90, B. 100, C. 120, D. 130. Answer: A. 90. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. Q14. The weight of cows in a farm is normally distributed with a mean of 200 pounds and a standard deviation of 25 pounds. The probability of a cow weighing more than 241.25 pounds is A. 0.4505, B. 0.0495, C. 0.9505, D. 0.9010. Answer B. 0.0495. Q15. The weight of cows in a farm is normally distributed with a mean of 200 pounds and a standard deviation of 25 pounds. What is the probability of a cow weighing less than 250 pounds? A. 0.4772, B. 0.9772, C. 0.0528, D. 0.5000. Answer D. 0.5000. PythonHomeworkHelp.com. Q16. State true or false statement. Binomial and normal distributions are discrete probability distributions. A. True, B. False. Answer B. False. Q17. For a binomial experiment with p equals 0.5 and a sample size of 100, the expected value of this distribution is A. 0.50, B. 0.30, C. 100, D. 50. Answer D. 50. PythonHomeworkHelp.com.